We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is a missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation, at the request of North Carolina SBI, is looking for Ansley River Redmond, a white female, 2 years of age, date of birth November the 19th, 2018, height 2 feet, weighing 25 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair, wearing a green shirt with a bear or angel in gold and cream pants. She was abducted on March the 10th, 2021 at 12 p.m. by Amanda Jean Redmond, a white female, age 25, date of birth 05/15/1994, height 5 feet 5 inches, weighing 130 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair, wearing a sweater with multicolored leggings. They were last seen in Statesville, North Carolina, traveling on I-20 west of Atlanta, potentially heading to Alabama. Suspect and child are believed to be traveling in a gray 2014 Honda Odyssey van, tag number HAD6654. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Ansley River Redmond or the gray 2014 Honda Odyssey van, tag number HAD6654, please dial 911 or the Iredell County Sheriff's Office at 704-880-9156.